Well, everyone, the iPhone SE 2022 model did end up getting iOS 26.5.2, and you might be wondering how it's holding up. Now, number one, this is a brand new update, and it's the newest update available on iOS 26. So if you're on this version of software, you can go through and update your particular device. Now, number one of the biggest things here is that the SE 2022 model basically does have the ability of getting the developer beta of iOS 27. I would not recommend anyone to install iOS 27 just yet. I would still recommend sticking on iOS 26. Now, 26.5.2 basically came through and fixed a couple of different issues. Number one, it kind of fixed this data leak WebKit issue that a lot of people were having or experiencing, which is basically inside of iOS 26 previous versions. I guess there were some times where Safari could get their WebKit thing exploited, and sometimes data could end up leaking and maybe could be exploited. Well, Apple has gone through and fixed that inside of this update, which would make me recommend every single person to install this update for the most part, because it's probably going to end up fixing that potential issue. If you haven't ran into an issue like that, then that's perfectly fine. But that is one of those types of issues that you may have ran into before that has been pretty much fixed inside of this particular update. So that was the biggest change. Like I said, I would recommend installing iOS 26.5.2 more so than iOS 27. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.